to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today we're making vegan fettuccine Alfredo sauce. Do you know what I love about it and what you're gonna love about it? The sweet, earthy notes that we get from the sauce. So let's make it. It's pretty rare to have a sauce that is fast and actually tastes good. Today we've combined those two and are creating a vegan Alfredo pasta sauce. Can cauliflower really be a Parmesan replacement? Earthy, sweet, and a hint of bitterness, all coming from the cauliflower once cooked, shaping the direction of our vegan Alfredo pasta sauce. Slicing the onion thinly and following the natural shape of the onion, almost cutting along the grain, will produce a mild sweet onion flavor. Slicing the button mushrooms maximizes the surface area, which is key to extracting the sweet umami flavor of the button mushrooms. This is not the time to be shy with the extra virgin olive oil. Not only is the extra virgin olive oil bringing a floral note, it is crucial in absorbing all the flavors of the sauce. Sweetness is often overlooked when making a cream-style sauce. Slow-cooked onions, seasoned well, bring sweetness, umami, and richness to our sauce. The cauliflower needs to be cooked over low heat, just like the onions. This is going to preserve the color of the cauliflower and help to slowly extract the flavors. Sliced button mushrooms are bringing another layer of earthiness as well as more umami. Bay leaf and fresh thyme act as a counterbalance to the umami and richness of the sauce. Bay leaf adds a lively bitterness while the thyme adds a pop of freshness. Before we can puree the sauce, we need to remove the bay leaf and the thyme sprigs. Nutritional yeast with its funkiness helps to amplify our Parmesan notes. Puree the sauce until smooth and velvety and all of the ingredients are completely emulsified. This was a fun last-second addition. The yellow squash and basil bring summer to the plate, vibrant colors and aromas. Thinly slicing the yellow squash with a mandolin is the perfect tool for the job. Make sure to keep your fingers all tucked away and safe. And if you're uncomfortable with the mandolin, feel free to use your chef's knife. This is a great technique to keeping your basil a bright, vibrant green. Start with stacking the basil leaves, then julienne the stack. Next, you're going to dice the julienne. This is going to prevent bruising of the basil leaves, which is going to keep it that vibrant, bright green. Cook the zucchini in a hot, dry pan for 20 seconds. Flip the zucchini, cooking for another 20 seconds. The cooking time is so fast you maintain the freshness and the crispness of the yellow squash. Allow the zucchini to cool just enough so that you can handle them, and then quickly roll into rounds. Most people underestimate this step and wonder why their pasta never tastes as good as their favorite restaurant. It's a make or break moment. It's all about adding enough salt to the water. This is the only time we have to season the pasta as a whole. This step allows every bite of pasta to be seasoned fully. Stirring the pasta for the first minute as the water is coming back up to a boil. This will prevent the pasta from sticking to the bottom of the pot and the other fettuccine noodles. Make sure to save 1 cup of pasta water, waiting until the end. This gives us the most flavor, starch, and seasoning in the water. It's time to finish the Alfredo fettuccine sauce. We have our al dente noodles. We have a sauté pan on medium heat. We're going to remove the noodles directly from the water into the sauté pan. To the noodles, we're going to add roughly a half a cup of our pasta cooking liquid. We're going to do a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Start to stir and agitate the noodles, emulsifying the olive oil into the pasta cooking water. Adding the vegan Alfredo sauce to the pasta noodles, we're going to continue to stir and agitate, emulsifying and coating the noodles. This step is also finishing the cooking of the noodles. The vegan Alfredo fettuccine is finished when the sauce is completely emulsified and is gently coating the noodles. Not too thick, but not too thin.
There's nothing conventional about vegan fettuccine Alfredo, and that's what I love about this sauce. Cauliflower, mushrooms, onions. It cooks almost as fast as the pasta, and I'm about to eat it that fast. That's so good.